So what up, Johnny? Good to see you. Good to see you. Sure was like a way to make this. There's got to be some way to do that automatically. We'll get there someday. And start our x.com stream. Okay, that's live. Beautiful. Let's go. Sweet. Post. Very cool. That's live. That's live. And I won't forget to do an announcement in general. Let me also start some tunes, chat. There we go. Everyone. More Elixir plus Twitch integrations. Working on subscriber notifications. Boom. Okay. Nice. Elixir time. Oh, what up, Yogurt? Hey, Near, welcome. Welcome to the chat. Nice of you to join us today. Nice. What up, surreptitiously oddersome? I'm not sure what that means, but welcome. I don't know what that means, like I said, but that's okay. All right, so where we left off, what's up, Papa? Where we left off is that we need to send notifications back to here, and these need to have IDs. And I'm thinking what we should have instead is these should all be media. Or maybe just notifications. Like, maybe this is kind of dumb. It's just kind of dumb. Like, what am I getting out of here? I put a kind, I put a URL. I think this is kind of stupid. I think we should just change this so that all of these events are one thing, and then we can just pattern match of it. Good and second language after JS? Yeah, I think it gives you a lot of different ideas compared to JS. What's up, Nishidori? Good to see you. We are working on my overlay for, let's see how it says you've subscribed right here, and then it should hopefully start playing music again. Nice. C tier, can I have bigger fades? There's PR for Kickstart to get Witch key. Envim, Lua, Kickstart. Yeah, I haven't looked at Kickstart in a while. This one? It's got a lot of thumbs up. So I'm just going to trust that this fixes it because it's got a lot of thumbs up. Someone could have done a lot of big updates. And done a lot of bots and gotten me tricked, but I'm going to merge it anyways. MacBook. I applied and it works. Nice. MacBook. I'm thinking I'm going to close this. Merge latest Kickstart. I'm thinking that's the wrong repo. I'm going to close this. Okay. Emoji driven development. Yep. All right, anyways. We can sort some of these other ones. Oh, Folkit? Do we see that faulty git configuration? I'm from Folke himself. If error cloning lazy envim out. Nice. That seems pretty reasonable. Open source maintainer right here. We can do some other ones later. I can take a look at this later. What up, Sammy? I'm also gonna stand up, I think. LGTM. Ship it, boys. Okay. Oh, theme song turned off? No, they didn't restart properly when the stream started. That's another issue we should fix, I think. But probably now it should work. Probably now.
If you want entertainment, go and watch clowns.
How do I want to do this? Because I feel like ID, kind, and then we can have data. Okay. Didn't I do like typed, struct? Yeah, how did... I like this one. I like this one. I want to use more of this one. We haven't done this one very much, but I think I would like to do this one. I just have a panic attack from Team Sound. Exactly. Is that Berkeley Mono? It sure is. In the corporate environment? I don't know. Kind of asking the wrong guy. I'm unemployed, you know? What is it again? I mean, to be fair, like I wanted to be, but... Type struct, do end, and we can say field ID, except I think we want to say, did we do, oh sick, a birthday stream. Is it your birthday, Dan? I don't know what you mean, Smear. Are you saying like, should you use Elixir at a job? It seems like a great language to use at a job. Finally 30. Let's go. Placing that to Big Corpo. Yeah, definitely people use it. Because we have 100 million plus lines of code. That can't be true. 100 million plus lines of Java 8. Wish I could go back to being finally 30. Is that duck, duck, go, but why? I don't know. Seems fun. I don't use it all the time. You just got a lot of other ways you can search. It seems fine. Is there... How do I do an enum for this? It's just getters and setters, yeah. Yeah, it's just getters and setters. That makes sense. I thought there was struct, type definition, integration with Acto, integration with lens, domo. Can't forget annotations. Ah, gotcha. Is there really no, there's no like enums? How do I say this or this or this? I don't remember how I do like an enum thing. The problem is enum is this, ecto enum. That's not really what I wanted. Kind. We can say, I don't really know. We'll say string t for now. It doesn't really make sense though. And we can say video.t, which it won't have, I think. It shouldn't have. Def module video do end. Should be able to still use this here, right? Typed struct do end field URL. I think that's URL string t like this. Can I do this then? It seems like it's a little confused. Does it not seem a little confused? Why is it confused? Okay, it's got it. I also wanted to see, was it enforce? How did we do this again? Enforce true. Well, happy birthday though, Dan, by the way. What do you think about set theoretic types? Very excited. It will make me like the language a lot more when it's done. All right, so what did we do for this? We had video URL. We have, probably this should have some user, I would feel like. An optional user at least. Mixery.twitch.user_t. How do I do optional types in this thingy? Do I just do or nil? Probably, I feel like. You can override the default behavior. At enforce keys. In fields not optional, you should even add the switch which lady feasible like me. I feel you. I feel you. Maybe there's more here. Where is the... Yeah, maybe it's in hex docs. We can see more. Ecto-enum should be what you want. Will that actually work with this? Is that really what I want? Because I want to say it should be like this. Maybe it would work. Maybe that would be fine. Maybe this is dumb as well. Like, this probably isn't what people do, is it, when they do Elixir? Okay, so we can go or nil, I think is fine. I already asked, did the stream schedule change? No more daily streams? I streamed yesterday. And I streamed today. I only didn't stream on Friday because I was working on my course. Is a new mic or new mic stand? No, I'm just standing up. Usually also I have it more like this, I think. Nope. But, well, because it's already dark mode. Why would I don't need to use dark reader when I'm here. It looks good already. Is that what you're asking? I think it's basically the same stuff. Maybe we should check the API reference though. Functions, type struct, enforce opaque. Module says true. The struct and submodule name module. I don't think we want that. Typed struct here. We can do enforce true. Oops. True do end. And then what did I want in this for audio? This is actually really this isn't audio. This is theme song. Like, that's what this should be. And that should be... Maybe instead, each of these should just have a kind. Maybe that's better. Can I go default video like this? Or I think I can go, is it Adam? Can I go like this? Video. Why are you using type struct? I liked it last time I tried it. XPM earlier. Yeah. No, it was just off. Is he behind you? You ready for the worst side of your life? Oh no. Oh no. I think maybe we do this. I think field should be inside of here. Like this, and this should have field message string t as well. Should all have IDs, they should all have users, and then the kind is just inside of this. I thought you just stood up and adjusted his desk. I'm standing right now. No, different. Regular structs aren't typed. They are kind of, but basically this, the short answer is it gives you, let me just go back to this. If you want, you need to write, okay, I need to enforce these keys. Here my def struct. Now I write a type doc and I write a type t and we repeat all of these. That's kind of annoying. What if we just didn't repeat ourselves? Okay, then we do this. So it's like, it's just saving a lot of repetition. Is there a way to say that this has to have this instead of default? I want to say it has to be this. I wonder if there's like, this will be key is enforced. You can override it. Oh, that's cool. So you can just go module theme song like this. That's nice. Nice. No, kind should be down here. We'll put kind here. I think I can go video theme song like this. Do you use macros in Elixir? I'm using them currently. I haven't written very many though. Take your seat besides. Who would pay more for terminal shop game primes? Yeah, smart. Isn't Ecto going a step further by validating as well? I think type struct will do as well. What's up, Holden? McGroin, please. Nice name. I think you can do, but for this isn't going in the database. This is just an in-memory. This isn't going to the database. I don't know. We're also learning Elixir too, chat. You know what I mean? Like we got our own stuff we got to figure out. There's also, maybe I want to do module first. I think I like this one better. Oh, hey. Oh no, but then we scuffed it up by saving in the middle of this. This is what we got to fix this at some point. Thanks for the sub, Garfunkel. Soon we're going to display that. ChatGPT recommended me this name. Nice. Video or theme song. Maybe we'll put this here. We can go like this. Okay, then we would also have like type struct module text. And this and end like this. Type a destruct. Where can I buy terminal coffee stock? Good question. I would like to buy some as well. Stocks go up, not financial advice though, to be clear. Okay, so now we should just delete all of these because I hate all of them. And we should do something like def video with URL do end, and then we'll go module ID, a new ID, right? And we need a user, which could be none. How do I do optional arguments again? Ugh, I forgot all of this already. I haven't. Oops, leak my calendar. Nice. What's up? That's fine. I don't have anything on there that I'm worried about you guys knowing. Probably. Let's see how to do optional parameters in Elixir. Greeting. This is optional. What if we do if we just put nothing? Can I just do nil? User nil like this. And then we say user. That's fine. That seems pretty good. Because I might not have a user for it, which is fine. We'll have to think about what we want to do for that. Then we go def theme song. This needs a user though. We always have a user for a theme song. User. URL and message, right? Nice. So now chat, when I do this, it's going to tell me you missed this, right? So this is nice. This says all these keys have to be here. That's what we want to see. You know what I mean? That's what we want to see. Isn't Elixir dynamically typed? Yes, but we can still do type shenanigans for structs and some other stuff. What are you trying to build? We're building a stream overlay right now. Okay, so now we can go. We can just delete all of these. I don't want any of you. Right? And this will break everything because we don't have play video anymore. So we need to go to all the spots that we had play video. We're not going to do that. And now we have anything that's an event.notification. We're going to play that. And we don't need this and we don't need this anymore. Beautiful. Even better. We don't need... Right. So now we need to go back to overlay live. This is so much better. Everything about this is better. Just everything about this is so much better. This is just notification. Right? And then the notification should have everything inside of it that it needs. We don't need to do this. We just say... This should be like... I guess maybe we should call this toast. We should probably call it toast. Yeah, there's very cool stuff going on with Elixir types going forward. You're going with TCP client and C#. Oh, like writing your own, Darcy, or what? That will be able to play. You'll get that soon. I just destroyed my whole bot, right? So we have some issues here. Whoops. Maybe we should call these toasts, chat. Should we call them toasts instead? That's really what they're a notification. It's fine. We'll call them notifications. I'm just worried that I'm going to be confused, but it's fine. Using live toast? No. We are just writing our own stuff. This we don't need anymore either, and this we don't need anymore either. I'm going to need the song, sir. Good point. I can actually just tell you. The song is Numinous by Delectatio. Call them toast and baked beans. All right, so now, is it not event notification? Event, media, event, play, mixery.event.notification. That should be fine. Cannot expand struct name is correct. Struct name exists, can't be found. You have cyclic usage. Okay, that's fine. That's just because we've scuffed other things. That's fine. We just have very scuffed situation right now, but that's fine. This should be subscribed to, let's call this notifications. Subscribe to notifications, like all of you should do on stream, obviously. Play media event, notification event. Notification event. Play video. Okay, let's see where we're at here. Yep, we don't need this, and we don't need this. We want to go event. So we can go event, notification, text. Nice. I've subscribed to In Spirit. Oh, Zach, hey, thank you for the Prime. Appreciate that. Hello with notification. What? Okay, whoops. So we can go here, and this is notification.video, and this is here. Whoops. And we don't actually need this. Oh, right, we actually don't need this either, because that's the namespace now. So we should be able to go event, notification, video, and delete this, and delete to here, and add that instead. Beautiful, that's Lane's special one. Okay, so that's all of our play videos, I believe. So now we look for play audio, because we completely changed how we were doing this. notification dot theme song, because it's not just playing audio, this is playing a theme song. And this is oops, not this, but here, theme song. What did we call it instead? Theme song. No, I called it theme song. Oh, right. But we need to say this, and we need to say this, and we need to say this. But this should take message and user. Spec. Yep, that's right. We probably should type all of these. Fortunately, we can just pretty much guess all of them. Had to reset so my theme song works again, but it turned off anyways. No, that's because see how there's like all this weird text in the background? That's because Elixir is currently crashing. Because we've broken everything. But in a good way. You know what I mean? Like, in a good way. Oh, here we go. So it's your fault. In a good way. Exactly, in a good way. Okay, so now we got to go back to our overlay and then subscribe to notifications. Isn't that what it's called? Subscribe to notifications. Yep. True. Thank you, LSP. Good call. We'll need to restart everything in a moment as well. But so now, current media, this is kind, theme song. Do we know what that type is? Bummer. It doesn't say. ID. And we have what else? What else? We've got user. We don't care about that one right now for the videos. That's fine. And then we have data, which is theme song. Right, because we can look at when we go back to our play, which really, this should be notification. So we have video, and that has URL. So then we should have okay, so maybe we don't want to do this. We'll do it like this instead. Because we still want to use, I think, this. Current media .data.url, current media.id, yep. Current media.user.profile image. That should be good, current. And then this should be greeting, which I don't think we added. We didn't add a greeting one here, so I'm just going to delete this. I don't think we put anything there. Singular, plural. Exactly. Okay, so now, will this work? What are the odds that this works? Thinking it's low. That's what I figured as well. I think we need to restart the entire thing here too, so we make sure that we get all the right notifications sent. We redo this. We try focused. Nice. Okay. No case clause matching. Event notification URL. Kind video. User nil. Okay. All right. Oh, that's because... Oh, shoot. This one was theme song. Ah, I did the wrong thing. Okay, this instead, we changed this as well to message. This is data.url. Oh, and this should be data.message. Okay, great. Video should now be like this. Video, like that. Current media.data.url. Current media.id. Great. Is there any plugin where you can preview H code next to the browser? I've always wanted like a mini browser. I don't know how that would work.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused.
Oh, it's focused. Yup. 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 Yup.
Okay? Ask me what 9 times F is. It's 75.
Oh, we're so back. Yeah, we might use some pre-made components. I've got I don't have any belief that my components look good. You know what I'm saying? Bow, ba, ba, bee, dee, dee. Boo, 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 doo, boo. Ba-dee, boo, bee. Bee, bop, doo. Ba-da, boo, ba-da, boo. Man, I like this song a lot. It is the Brazil mentioned stack, though. You're correct. Do 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 do. Do do. All right, where did my test one go? Okay, nice. I've subscribed with TGTV. No, we're not. This isn't. I need to get a haircut ASAP. I need to get a haircut ASAP in my mind, chat. I think it's already grown too long right now. Chat, I'm in my 30s, okay? I'm 30, but like that's in my 30s, okay? That was not doubt you're a great. No, I am not a great UI dev. Holding on anymore. Okay, this is so much better. So much better. Laying up the river, waiting for the rain to go. Just remember. Yo, same age, 93. I was born in 94, sorry. I already turned 30 this year. That copy bot you made was top tier. Although every time I get a compliment from C tier engineer, it's sort of like, is it an insult? You know what I mean? It's one of the great paradoxes of streaming on Twitch. So we need to send something with the current media. Mixery broadcast event notification ended. That seems pretty good. Typed, we'll go down here. Typed struct. Module ended. Enforce true. Field. Event. Module.t. We'll say event. Man, what's the tune? Sounds so familiar. Spun in when you hovered, what's not to like? Yeah. Bow, ba-dow, be-doo, be-doo. Dee-da-dee-da-dee-doo-dee-doo. Using and Elixir in some places in full module. Are you using Elixir in some places in full module name others? I don't have a super strong thought about it exactly right now. We're just exploring, you know? Okay. So what do we need to do now? We need to do... do we have event? We do. Event.notification.ended. Event is notification. Event. We can just do this. So now we need to go. And we want to do Q dot drop R filter. Which way does filter drop? When does filter do it when I want to remove? Right, so I want to drop everything besides this one. That seems pretty good. Okay. Let's restart everything here. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to test this, and then we should see nice. So that no longer has the event, and now if I do this, we should drop this one, and then we should drop it again. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's exactly what we were hoping for, chat. Is that T-Max at the bottom? No, that's just Westterm stuff. But I am trying out Ghosty as well. Okay, so that seems good. So we should be able to do something like play this, do this, do this. I don't even know who these are. Nice, that works. And then those all seem to go back and forth and continue to drop nicely. Wonderful. If I do this like 3 times in a row, and then I close this and reopen it, and let's say I force a refresh really quick, okay, we should still get... Does it not do it? Interesting. I thought that we would be getting... Now it has the whole queue. Oh, it still needs the very first. Oh, I see. I was silly. I'm silly. I know what it is. I know what it is. It's right here. Right here. This should be the first one. This should be the first one. This would be, so we can say, notifications is this. Notifications. And this should be queue. I think we have peak, which is empty or value item. Okay, so we can go current is queue, peak, notifications, case, do, value notification this, anything else, nil, end. And then this would be current. And then where do we have media? We should change all of this from... Instead of being current media, this should probably %s current media is current notification. Okay, and then %s media is notification. GC. So no, yes, 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 no, no, yes, 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 yeah, nope. Ah, shoot. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, that one's wrong. This one should say medium. Okay. All right, we'll see if that works. How do you do typing in Elixir? Right now, you mostly don't, but there are a few things you can do that give you some type safety for structs. Okay, so let's say I refresh this page now. We click test the subscription message here, and then maybe we run this one. And that's nice. I didn't know that that one was going to play. That seems good. Okay, great. So we're all set. That's working well. Diogo, hey, thank you. Thanks, I appreciate that. Oh, so now I wanted to test what happens if we click, I wanted to, well, here, we'll try pick song here. And what I want to see is that when I turn this off and then we turn it back on, maybe I might need to like refresh. We turn it off and on. Does that not, maybe this doesn't do what I think it does? Does mount not check again? When is this called? Debug, overlay, loading. So it's loading right now. Okay, so it's loading again. What are my notifications? Nothing. Really? Really and truly nothing, huh? That seems kind of weird. Are you running this on actual domain? Isn't it supposed to be localhost? It's through Cloudflare tunnels, actually. Breaking after getting roasted by Chris, Deej left OCaml. Wrong, he said OCaml's his favorite. Nice try. Yeah. I think Jose, I said it wrong again, I'm sure, but it would be great to talk to him sometime about Elixir. Okay, interesting. Why is pick song? If I reload this page, I turn it off, I turn it back on, it's loading, there's nothing there. That's not right, chat. Why is that already getting cleared? Why is that already? Because I'm doing pop, I think, aren't I? Let's go back to notifications, servers, filters, cons, handle call. We get the current state. No, that's okay, that doesn't seem to be doing what I thought it would do. It just doesn't do what I thought it was going to do. So I don't think I get it. I don't think I get it. We get the ended event here. These subscriptions here. Oh, right, chat, right. That's because I didn't do this right. I just didn't do it right. That's because I just didn't do it right. Have you guys thought about maybe I should have done it right? I think that would have been a smart plan. I think that would have been very smart. Instead of doing it wrong, I should have done it right. Yeah. It's crazy how that works, though. You know what I mean? Where you can instead just do it the right way instead. And you could just do it. You could just do it the good way. Wild. Without the wrong, how would you even do it right? JIT VM, fix your code just in time. When? It's true, Lispy. When are you going to pay 120K to Cloudflare? Hopefully never, because that would really dent my chances of of continuing as a full-time content creator. It would really dent my chances, chats. All right, so let's try this. We'll send this one in. Okay, so this comes in to the queue. If I turn this off and turn it back on, oh. Chat, I turn it off, I turn it back on, it's gonna restart. Picking lab, coding through the night. You know what I'm saying, chat?
Picking lab, coding through the night.
Through the night.
Papers tight, ready to unite. Haskell conference, the perfect
Thankfully, Elixir has fly true.
but when he hits submit,
How
he
were we
sees
know we
decline.
should have done it the right way? That's what I'm saying.
Sinks, motion
Wait, so now I add a subscription event. We should add a new subscription right here.
no room to sway.
I close this. I turn it back on. We're going to play my subscription event first. Okay. Suspicious. Very suspicious. What happened to Pick's song? What happened to Pick's song? What happened to it? Loading. Overlay. Loading. Oh, did I just get some... What? Am I crazy? Does cons... What? This is not added to the head?
Coding through the night. His white papers tight, ready to unite.
Cons... That's... This should be the first one, right?
It's the perfect place to shine. But when he hits submit, he sees decline. Big's heart sinks, motions start to fray. His code's a masterpiece, no room to sway. Rejected again, he can't understand why. Big won't give up, he'll reach for the sky.
I'll start trying in the queue, according to queue order. Filter math, filter F, split, join, reverse, drop, peek, get, out, in, member, to list, is queue, new.
Through the glitches and errors, he won't break. He won't stop, he's taking your mom on a date.
Pentatail real. Oh, put at least one element in the list. Wait, so I should be doing in, not cons. Q in. That's why. That's why, chat. That's why. Okay, that makes more sense now. That makes much more sense. We were doing it scuffed the wrong way. Now the question is, how can I restart this? Oh, I could just go init restart. And then we can do this, so we don't have to listen to Pick's song the whole way again. Okay, nice. There we go. Sorry, Pick. You don't get your song 5 times in a row when you're not even here. I know, sorry. Don't worry. I think we fixed. It's just good because his is longer, so we can practice it easily. We try mine. Let's play mine. What? New event? Why did it do nothing?
Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley.
Is it still playing my music? Why is it playing my music?
I was 8 when I met Mary Kate. That was actually the same day that I met Ashley.
I think I'm going to restart this whole thing. I think we may have just scuffed it by restarting some of the things inside. Okay, so that's good. We connected. And there's nothing in the overlay. That's good. That's what we want to see. We play me.
Mary Kate and
Okay, it's playing me. Yep, it's playing me.
Mary Kate and Ashley.
That's good.
Mary
That's
Kate
the new event that we had.
Mary Kate and Ashley. I was 8 when I met Mary Kate. That was actually the same day that I met
Ashley. Okay, so we're back. Okay, I think this is actually working. So now what we can do, chat, is we can make a What am I trying to say? Oh, an actual toast for a subscription with a video, right? I was thinking maybe we should have Chris Latner saying OCaml's my favorite. I was thinking that could be a pretty good sub clip, you know? I was thinking that might work quite nice. We can cut out the whole rest of the conversation, but we could still put the OCaml is my favorite kind of situation there. It seemed like a really good sub sound. So I'm thinking that one. Can anyone think of anything different? That was the best one I could come up with right now. We can always switch it later. Oh, the other option. What, do I have no? Don't ask. What's the slide? Oh, shoot. It's one of my top clips though, for sure. From Shy Rai as well, just like always. Thank you, Shy Rai. So helpful and kind. Clips. Top. We'll say all time because I think it was... Oh, this is a really good one. We won't use that one though. My old computer, pretty sweet. No. Where is no context needed or whatever it is? I always forget what... I forgot what... Shy Rai called it for me. This is clean code. True. Typing gone wrong. Oh, that one. This one. This is the other option. Should we do this one? That's a pretty good clip as well. It's a pretty good clip. Is it long enough for a sub sound? I don't know. We could play it on loop a little bit. But it's a pretty good clip, I feel. Doesn't have any sound. Doesn't have any sound, though. That's the problem. Focus? We can't make focus be the sub sound. That is too often. With people subscribing just left and right all over the place. You know what I'm saying? Just left and right. We can't have that. Do a voiceover for that clip. So even by the way, we should record me doing a whole like thing about why NeoVim's great and then play it at 8x speed. I don't know how to do that though, but it would be that could definitely work. Now use the clip. Do you play Doto too? I used to. I don't really play anymore. Entire NeoVim manual at 100x. It's still a long time. It's still a long time though. Multiple minutes, right? In 9 hours times 60, right? Yeah. Still 5 minutes at 100x. Oh man, that's pretty funny. Okay, or where did my Chris Latner one go from Shy Rai? Yeah, this one here. Maybe we should use this one. This is another good option, though.
I wrote a scheme for OCaml a million years ago. Yes. Made it properly tail recursive. Like, yes. OCaml is actually my favorite. I love OCaml.
OCaml's actually my favorite. That's all we need, right?
Years ago. Yes. Made it properly tail recursive. Like, yes. OCaml is actually my favorite. I love OCaml.
There we go.
I wrote a scheme for OCaml a million years ago.
OCaml's actually my favorite, chat. Chris Latner loves OCaml. I never published it as an audiobook. It didn't seem like it had enough traction that made sense to do. I'm kind of feeling like we should do this one, you know? OCaml's actually my favorite. Let's first, we'll just download this one really quick. YouTube DLP. Can I have it download this? Nice. Okay, sweet. So let's move Chris Latner loves OCaml to tier 1.mp4. Using Zish? Yes, I am. Then this is in, where do we put this before? Priv, assets, Priv static assets. I don't remember what else we put inside of there though. Zish, by the way. Whoops, I didn't mean to put this here. Move tier 1 down here. It's not really a theme song, so let's make media, I guess. I don't know. Move tier 1 to media. Okay, so that should be fine. Did we have to do anything special for the theme songs folder? I don't remember if we did or not. We did. Okay, so we should be able to just add media here. We might have to restart the whole thing, but that's okay. All right, so let's try this. Notification is event.notification. We'll just try video. And this should be video. I think before, right, we have something like images / focus. So we should be able to do media / tier1.mp4. Was Nick's mentioned? It can be right now if you'd like. It definitely can be right now.
I love OCaml. I wrote achievements for OCaml a million years ago.
Yeah.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like,
Yes.
OCaml is actually my favorite.
Nice. We got it, chat. We have to like fix the scaling of it. We probably don't want it to look exactly like that, I think. That's kind of what I'm thinking. We probably don't want it to look exactly like.
I wrote a scheme for OCaml a million years ago.
The scaling.
Properly tail recursive.
There you go, Pigeon. You just, that's from you.
My favorite.
So then the next thing after this is, of course, we need TTS. I mean, Nix is functional, you're clear functional, bro. Wrong. Wrong. I like for loops in OCaml and objects. When he mentioned FP was bad, that wasn't in the clip. Do you not understand how clips work? We can make him say whatever we want. He said OCaml's the best. That's a direct quote from Chris Latner. Okay? This is 2024, guys. Come on. This is basic stuff. Basic stuff about how the internet works. Okay? Call me CNN, because we're the coding news network here, chat. Okay? All right? You heard it here first. Chris Latner hates Mojo and loves OCaml. Who could have known? Okay. What? How are we gonna fix this? Right. Okay. So let's. Okay, chat. Bombshell allegations. It's not an allegation. Look, we can prove it. We've got the proof right here behind me. Right behind me. We also need to. We need to trim this down, I think.
OCaml is actually my favorite.
I feel like we just want it to be OCaml's actually my favorite. You know what I mean? FP proven. Right. Thank you, Lisby. You would understand. What do I even have for this? Oh, nice. Cancel. I don't want this. We want to cut the first 4 seconds. ffmpeg command to trim first 4 seconds of MP4. I don't know. No input. Oh, whoops. Okay, so let's do. We scuffed this? Did we scuff this?
Made it properly tail recursive. Like,
Oh, nice.
OCaml is actually my favorite.
No. We just switched them around. What are we building today? Why didn't this? What is going on now? We have new event. P-Wall enter the chat. Nice. Okay. Why new event? What? How did we get stuck here? How did we get stuck here? We're stuck somehow. We've scuffed it somehow.
What? Did we just become best friends?
I don't know what happened, but there you go. That's why we have a queue, though. That's why we have a queue. We just ended that event. Great. Great. I also wanted to go where we do this, and I'm just going to go event here. I don't really want to do this whole thing.
Recursive, like, OCaml is actually my favorite.
Nice. And then kind tier 1. Why are there 2 of them? That doesn't seem right. They are the same ID, ended event. Okay, so that's good. Why do I not have my music playing anymore? That part's confusing. No songs in the queue. Great. Okay, we'll try this one more time.
Properly tail recursive, like, OCaml is actually my favorite.
Nice. Nice. On-screen notification different events. Yep, we're making an overlay. So now we just need to make this so that it looks good. Basically, right? I mean, obviously it looks good the way it is right now. That seems pretty obvious. I think everyone can agree that it looks really good right now. But maybe we could make it slightly better, perhaps. So now I need to remember how to do this. Right, we have all this goofy extra transforms and scaling for this. Now, the question is, can just write it the style directly there? Yeah, probably. Yeah. What's up, Kalel? Welcome. We'll do that. Let's go like this, and we'll go at current notification.data.style. Beautiful. And we'll go to where we have focused here, and we'll say and now this for when we do video should be style string.t and style, and then we go to here and we say field style. I'm sure I'm gonna regret this. I've seen some snippet stuff. Is that what you're talking about, Lasamat? I have a few videos, some Take Tuesdays on Lua snips from a while ago. Okay, so now if I do this, I think it will probably just be the regular size for the page, right? Oop, we messed it up somehow. Video is undefined or private. Ooh, nice, right. Whoops, no. Yeah, we'll abort. We'll just restart here. That's fine. We go back to here where we have video as the function. Dot video. This one here, and let's just do no styles for right now. We test
Made it
this.
properly tail recursive. Like, OCaml is actually my favorite.
Is powered by Phoenix? Sure is. Yep. There's some oldies and goodies there. Lewis Nips, are these still? Oh man, I had a lot of fun making this video. Ash uses Phoenix as well. It's a classic. Billy Mays, if you don't know. You don't know the reference. That was the only reason that I was willing to try Ash, was because I was still able to reuse a lot of the same things that we were doing. True. Okay, so how do I get this video? I think we want to... I feel like... I almost feel like Focused is its own... Ash is like a meta framework kind of thing. I don't really know what you would call it. That's probably not how they would like it described. I don't remember what the words they use for it. Which we'll hopefully pick up again after I finish my course for Lane. It's like a byproduct of Burning Woods. It can be, that's true. What are your thoughts on Gleam? I don't have a lot of thoughts on it, except that the language seems cool. So, I think we do probably want this to kind of slide in, right? It's like kind of a little toasty toast. I feel like we need a different... I feel like instead of just saying video, we should make this a subscriber notification, right? So I'm thinking we do a new one and we say typed struct, and let's go module subscriber, enforce true, and still going through all the years of AOC with OCaml. Man, I'm really starting to like it. Chris, now we're talking. Once I stopped having a fight with Dune. Yeah, it does take a bit of oh, I already ate. Oh, I didn't see those. I'm good for right now. I can eat the broccoli later though. I'll eat the sausage later too, unless one of the kiddos wants it. Okay, I'll eat it, yeah, before. I'm good right now, though. Spicy Frank Herbert takes? No, that's a spicy, oh, no, David Lynch take. There we go. Took me too long. The joke's not as good anymore, but anyways. Yep, Leo's doing it. Dune, OPAM, gonna get better. And I think it's still like, I still like it once you get used to it, but there is definitely like a learning curve to a lot of it. And sometimes it just is completely escapes what you think is going to happen. So we've got a user, we've got a sub tier, we've got cumulative. We can say sub video, which will be some string.t. OPAM especially is not kind of newcomers. Yes, OPAM, I agree. Especially if one thing goes wrong. Like sometimes you build a simple project and the simple project just works. You type OPAM switch create, you build the create. Takes a little bit, but then it's done. But then, you know, like, then it works, but then, yep. Oh, PPX expect. So good. So good. Mixery, Twitch, .sub tier. Yep. Agreed 100%. I think OCaml is like so close to a really good starting experience. Imagine just defining your packages in the Dune file and then automatically downloads them. Yes, agreed. In fact, why the heck doesn't that happen? You know what I mean? Like it already has all the knowledge that it needs. Why isn't it called OCaml? Great question, Jersey. Tweet it right now. Y'all making me OCaml curious. Smart. That's good. Maybe we'll spend a little bit of time writing some more of my blog post about why I like OCaml later as well. What's up, drinking? All right, so we have this. So we can also say this can be. Oh, we should say text, text t. But we should also do subscriber, and we'll go subscriber dot t. Boom. I want pipelines and match expression. Oh, matches especially. Never tried OCaml, only F#. Oh, then you've tried it. How many languages do you already know? It depends what you mean by no. I'm leaving my job because I can't use NeoVim on Citrix. Is that even a sensible phrase? Okay, we're here. Start creating your first OPAM switch now. It might be done by tomorrow. Yeah, that part is tough, man. That part is tough. They're also working on fixing that, though. Like, once OCaml compiler is relocatable, then it's going to be way faster. Haskell would be a good functional programming intro. Depends what you're looking for. Like, if you're looking to start publishing, then yeah, it would be a pretty good place to start. There's lots to learn from doing Haskell. Haskell compiler named after my hometown. Proud moment. Nice. All right, so let's try this. Let's try this. Let's see if we can make this part work, okay? So we go back to our event live here, and let's try and make a new subscription sub tier 1 self-subscription. Does this not have a message with it at all? These should all be typed structs too, now that I think about it. Is it import type struct or alias? Is it using type struct? How do we say typed? Use, okay. Because these should all just be this. Typed. Oh, and we can even just go like this. Type. Nah, we'll do it this way. Because we might add some... No, we won't add any functions to these. Type struct. Module is self-subscription. Whoops. That's funny. Self-subscription. Enforce. True. Wait, can't... Isn't there... Use type struct. Wasn't there something where you could do default for like the whole thing or something? I thought you could set default for enforce for everything. Can you make it by default the case that you want to do? Okay, well, whatever. That's fine. Do end. And we want to go field user, Twitch user T, field subscription, and then do this. We're going to do this for basically all of them. Whoops. If a job tried to code with strategies, it wouldn't last long. Yeah, it would be kind of weird. Arkansas mentioned? Haskell, Arkansas? What are you guys talking about now? Change you can petition that you need documents for Debugging. Just use one for new and smart. No pistols for bespoke web editor. Dang, that's crazy. That is actually kind of wild to not even do VS. You are right. That is kind of wild these days. Like in today's world, that's wild. Can I put this up here? Will this still work even if I put this here? I guess kind of like forward declaring it. I think it should be fine. It's just a type thing. Will this still work too? I'm interested to know. Cannot compile mixery events.sub error been logged. Does that actually, that doesn't work? Okay. What if I do this method though? Def module sub do, and then we put an end here. Does this work? And then we put this outside of this. I think that works. That makes sense because it doesn't have the module done yet. So, okay, that seems fine. There's no def struct because this is just for making structs. There's no like functions, right? Yeah, that's okay. Left of the special character row because I don't care. Yeah. Cache object script isn't widely supported anyways. As in like the one related to M? Cache? Is that the same one? The related to inner systems and stuff? Stream object friendly? Yes. Today I'm drinking Segfault though. And it's delicious. I still don't know why. Who is telling me it doesn't know about this type? What? Oh, because these are later? Probably need to define these first, huh? I do need to define them first. That's why it doesn't like that. That makes sense. Okay, I'm following you. We should take all of these guys here and we'll move them up to the top. How far do we need to go? How far do we need to go? And this one is from event here. That makes sense actually now. That makes lots of sense, chat. Oops, typed struct enforce true do field. Oops. Maybe we could macro this, but I think it's fine for right now. It's just tricky because the last one. Oops, that's missing an end still. No, it's not. Oh, that's an extra comma. There we go. Okay, and then we don't want that anymore. Cumulative duration streak. Okay, that's good. Did someone say macros? At A, that should do this. And then we should have here, we should be able to go. Okay, those are good. All right, so let's try this. QB field this, go to here, place this, go to the end, bound at here. B at. Great macro talking even. True. Define yeet bool. It's a good strategy. Community gift ID, user login, user display, sub tier, and duration. Yeah. I sure, thank you. I probably should do @spec like this for all of these here as well, because this tends to give me much better, just a lot better autocomplete and stuff when we actually do this. Even if it's not perfect, it's still pretty good. ID, total, and subtier. Def macro profile blazingly fast. At A, at B, at. What's this integration about? Well, so when people subscribe, we can do cool stuff like this.
Properly tail recursive, like OCaml is actually my favorite.
We could talk about how OCaml is actually Chris Latner's favorite. Okay. Oh, nice, Lazama. Very cool. Macros are just playing the same keys back into reality, right? So it's really not that wild. At A, at B, at B. Whoops. Message, subtier. 2 teach for 1 teach coin. Yes. So right now what we're doing is we're cleaning up all of our subscription things so that we can, when someone subscribes, they'll get a notification. After we can get the message from the notification, then we'll be able to, I'm doing great, Bounty. Then we'll be able to try and do text to speech. We'll see what, did you hear the Neovim song? Oh no, what am I clicking? That's funny. I didn't listen to it though, no. Okay, this one's good. Module gift subscription here. That's great. Self-subscription or gift subscription. Wonderful. From event. Very cool. So now that's all done. And then we have a bunch of stuff here. Okay, so that seems like it's working. Why does it say that it has no return? No local return. What is it talking about? Okay, so that seems good. That seems good, chat. Let's try and play... Howdy fellas, that one works good. And then what do we need otherwise too? So we're still getting that working. Okay, so now we can test subscriptions. So when we get a subscription, we need a way to get out the message for each of these items. So a good strategy would be we can write a def message of t do end. We're at spec message module. Do I do module t? I think to string t or nil. Okay. So we can do case t do end. What can we have? What can we have? We can have either, right, a self-subscription or a gift subscription. So how do we know? Why is it not going to the definition of this? That's crazy. Self-subscription or gift subscription. Okay, so we have case self-subscription, nil, and we have gift subscription, and then that's nil. It's not needed. Okay, so we can just go T like this. Is Twitch API free? It is. Yep. So how many of these have message? You could define 2. Oh, true. That's right. We can do that. So let's just try just from self-subscription. That's the one that I'm most interested in. We'll just try just from, I think sub doesn't have one, but resub. Doesn't resub have a message? Why no pattern matching function level? We can. No particular reason. Just because I'm not used to it. Often do I update my Neven plugins? Not that often. I'm making a Twitch overlay right now, Bounty. A whole Twitch economy, really, but that's okay. WebSocket messages. I want my reference here. We need to go to resub. Notice type. We have resub here. This doesn't have a message. Does message come on here? Message. A UID that identifies the message. Channel, chat, notification, message. Text. Interesting. So this is actually on the top level message. That's unfortunate, I think. Because that should go right here. Yeah, that's a bit of a shame. That's a bit of a shame because we aren't keeping enough info for this. Okay, so now I guess we need to do typed struct enforce true do end, and we need to have field subscription, and that's going to be this, and we need to have field message string t or nil. And so now this is not right because we've scuffed this from before. Subscription is this. And then we can go down here. We can say module. Subscription is subscription. And we can say message is event message. Right? Oh, event message dot text. But this is going to break a bunch of other stuff because we definitely were passing these around other places and it won't work now. So we actually don't even need to do this now because it has message on the top level item here. So that's fine. Where do we have self subscription? Because that's going to be a problem. That's going to be a problem. Oh, right, because now we have a separate struct for these. It's not either one of these. It's going to be one total one. That's actually great. That's actually great. Because now we have our whole struct right here. This is the subscription struct. There probably should be one thing, and then we can pattern match off of it if we need to later. Gift sub. Whoops. Gift sub. So this should be subscription, where subscription equals... Oh, this probably is not like this. This should be like this. And then this is subscription.gift sub. Oh, did I miss too many of these? Oh, too many, yep. Oh, whoops. I see. There we go. That's why. Makes sense? Nice. What's up, Lithium? Hey, Sewing. Okay, so that's good, because now when we make this, it should look like this. Okay, great. This should be gift sub dot subscription. Hodl. Handle info. Oh, this is an event subscription. Ah, shoot. That's why I don't do this. That's the wrong thing. Event.subscription. That's why I was telling myself, don't do it. Don't do it. It's not a good plan. Oh, wait. Oh, this is the right one. Okay. Wait. I think we're okay, actually. That's right. This is... Okay, so this actually should work, I think. Right. Okay, because the whole thing is an event. Okay, actually, we're safe, I think, in this case. Subscription, right? Because we go here. We should have I don't really know if there's like a nicer way to do this, but we should have subscription here. It's going to be message and subscription, which is that. Okay, so that actually should work. Okay, so that one should be fine. Gift sub dot subscription. Do we know what we should know, like what type this thing is, right? Gift subscription should have a subscription. Sub gift. Great. Okay, awesome. That's looking good. That's looking good. This should be subscription. Subscription is this. Probably should be like just self. That should be fine though as well. Those are all good. Those are all good. Okay, so then we want to do self subscription. That one's fine. That one's fine. That one's fine. Well, wait, why are these? No, those should not be imported there. We killed everything. Yeah, that's fine. We don't have all of these defined now. Subscription. So this should just be subscription handle info. So where else is this busted? Mystery event subscription struct is undefined. Cannot expand mystery.event.subscription. Make sure the struct name is correct. What? Event subscription. Sorry. What are we using? It says survives for rebought option. Yeah. Is it a good idea to spend 10% of paycheck on a font? I mean, it depends on your life situation, does it not? Subscription. So I thought, since I did typed struct down here, module, gift subscription module. Should this not be defined for event.subscription? And do I have some other error here? What? Oh, do I import something too many times? That's a strong possibility as well. Event.subscription. Let's take a look at all of these. That should be fine. That should be okay. Event.subscription.self-subscription. See, that's the wrong thing. This needs to be, you know what would be smart is I should use functions. I'm not using enough functions. I'm doing the thing I'm not supposed to do, which is I'm not using functions. That would be the smart way to do this. Wait, monads where? Monads where? User subscription. Do end. Module. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Message. Subscription, self-subscription. There we go. So now we can go back to here. Whoops. We go to here and we say event. Whoops. Subscription. And we should be able to go like this. Self-subscription. That is so much nicer. Event subscription from it. Those are all good. Those are all good. That's good. That's a good one. Yep. Okay, so why are we getting this? Why are we redefining module current version loaded from build dev lib vect status dot beam? What? We'll just let's I think we may have scuffed it somehow when we were doing some other things. Wrote an engineer recursion bug, or if it's benchmark just melting my computer. It's pretty tough. What's up, Andrew? Welcome, welcome. All right, let's see if it was skill issue or if when we imported ourselves, it broke everything in the incremental compiler. Because that's kind of what I feel like it was doing. What is going on? Why am I getting 10 million gits right now? Am I getting spammed? Or is that what's... Is someone trying to DDoS me? Because I can't tell if that's... No, I think I'm the problem here. I think I'm doing it. Could not find depths, plug, debugger, too many opens files. Kill it all. Mix Phoenix.server. But why am I getting all of these crazy things going on here? But look at this. Who is spamming my slash here? Am I DDoSing myself is an interesting question. It's Cloudflare themselves. Okay. Let's just quit out of everything here just to make sure we didn't do anything weird, right? So we have event subscription right here. Use TypeScript. Alias Twitch sub tier. Enforce. Yep. Sub. Resub. Prime sub. Sub gift. Community sub gift. Especially you guys are shaming something were to happen to it. I don't know. I mean, it seems like it's me because it happened as soon as we broke everything. Typed module self subscription. Enforce true. Do field user twitch.user sub resub gift paid or prime sub. Those all make sense. Or gift subscription, which is a Twitch user here and this. Then we have this type struct here, which is this, and it's this thing or this thing. Something to Elixir or restarting? That's what I'm wondering. Random testing is not optimized for recursion at all. Okay, so let's go ahead and check everywhere we have mixer. We have subscription here, and let's take a quick peek. Broadcast events. Yep, that part's good. Every time we have a mixer subscription, we should do that. User subscription. Yep. So that should work. That should work just fine. Subscription gift, user subscription, where we make a change set from that. Yeah, that's a different subscription completely. We are going off of gift sub dot subscription, so that seems pretty good. Mixery subscription is self subscription. That one seems good as well. User subscription, that seems fine. Those seem fine. Event subscription from event. Those all should be good. From event should all be safe. This whole file is, I think, fine. Notification alias mixery event dot subscription. Yeah, that seems like it's fine. Did you do events via other webhooks? Could be Twitch eventually. What? Testing the clocks implementation from ground universe. Nice. Let me see. I think I can I change port? Can change this and it won't run on the outside world port, and we'll see if it's... Nope, it's me. I'm definitely DOSing myself somehow. That's new. That's pretty new. I don't know how I started this move, chat. How am I doing? Well, no, this is access mixery. That's not the right port. It's choosing 4000 still. So maybe someone is still hammering me. Let's try doing config dev. Where's my 4000? We'll just try change this to 4001. Mix env prod. Okay, gotcha. We'll just run it here and see then 4001. We'll see if somebody is spamming or if it's myself. No, so someone is just trying to DOS me. Well, I guess it doesn't have to be. It could be me. It could be myself. That could be as well. Okay. What's this again? Events. Trust just for me. That's fine. We can change that really quick. Router. Localhost / spam. We'll just take this one out for a sec, and we should be able to refresh this page and come here. Should be able to do test this. Okay, so it is just someone trying to DOS me, I think. Nice. Very cool. Okay, well, that's interesting. I think that's why. We can see if maybe there's something we can do to fix that. Config dev. I guess someone thinks they're being like super funny or something. I've done my whole engine config start. Oh, nice. Very cool. It should not fall over though. Install Elixir bin logger translator. Is someone trying to do like Elixir shenanigans to me? Is like someone trying to do some... Do I have something exposed that I shouldn't have in Elixir right now? Oh, no. Again? Really? Salt my hammies, chat. Nobody wants to have fun. But let me see. Maybe there's something I should be able to do to, like, turn off the spam, though. Because why is this happening? It doesn't seem like this should happen, right? I guess we can check Cloudflare as well. And see, because it does seem like, it seems pretty stupid. Like, Cloudflare should be able to fix that one for me. I'm controlling Tej now. Chat, let me tell you, you do not want to be the one that says that you're the one doing this right now, because there's been a lot of really stupid things being sent as GET requests. So you really don't want to be that guy. Let me see. I don't know how to check this, though, for my tunnel. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do to check this for my tunnel. You know what I mean? Tunnel? What is this thing called again? Remote or something? Does anyone know how I actually check what the status is for that? Account analytics? I don't know. Don't even have a terminal. Follow the money. Hey, you know you haven't paid enough to have a working app? How can I have no idea how to even check this, chat. But I don't want to show you my Cloudflare. Seems like a bad plan. I missed the 10K bill, you know? I don't know what I'm doing. But okay, so chat, this should definitely not fall over. I don't know why this is falling over right away. Like, I must have some setting that's stupid here that's running. Okay, so let's see. Could not get file. Okay, well, someone's trying to open some files. Why are they doing too many open files? Try handle continue. Let me just hide my screen for a sec, because there's a lot of not nice words that people are trying to put in the URL. Too many open files. File stream reduced. Live file stream. Anonymous stream resource. Git snippet. They're trying to run the debugger. I don't really get it. Do I have something on here that I'm not supposed to, that I can turn off? Maybe I should run it in prod mode. Yeah, I'm not really looking to code reloader. Too many open files. Yeah, so it's like, it's like, I don't know how to get it so that, it must just be something because I'm running it in dev mode. Teach times with code. I'm doing my best, Prime Junior. Did someone try and include? No. Like actually bad words, not via. I guess I could try running it in prod. I don't really know what the code reloader debug errors. False, maybe. Check origin. Check origin. I don't know. Well, yeah, I don't know how. I can't ban them. I can't ban them. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know who they are. Yeah, so, okay, so I turned off the debugging thing, and now it's totally fine. Yeah, okay. Well, so that was debug error was the problem. I see. Okay, got it. Unfortunately, I'm going to have a hard time showing my requests. Here, we'll turn this back on. This should hopefully load now. Right. What up, Sharai? Yeah, so I think, so the main problem was I still had debug errors on, which we didn't want, because when they sent a very naughty word and instructions on what I should do to myself, that I think spawned a bunch of other processes and left them open, I'm assuming. Can we put it out of emote mode only, please? Why is it in emote mode only? Those errors get logged. I think so, yeah. I mean, I probably have their IP and stuff, but it's probably like blah, blah, blah. I don't really care. I don't really care to go track them down. They're just being a loser. You know what I mean? Like, that's okay. I just don't know that I can show, connect monitor tunnels log. Tunnel log. View logs on, if you can enable logging when you start the tunnel. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, we could try that later. I'll check that out. Elixir and scaling help. No. So the problem was we accidentally kept every process open. That's not a good strategy, it turns out, to let it crash. So let me just check to see if they're still spamming. It looks like they stopped. So, or close enough. That's fine. Okay. Is there an easy way for me to Shirai to not print out what the emo only solved? That was it. When I'm logging my requests, like the git, I have a git for some path. Is there a way to not print if it's not a pathway that I have and I can just say this didn't exist or something? Because I want to still look at this page, but people, if someone's going to keep on spamming the N word on it, then I'm going to have to find some other alternative, right? Which is a shame. So I don't, because it logs the, remove the logger and endpoint. Okay. Endpoint EX. Only static paths, code reloading. Yeah, that's fine. I do want those. And then method override head. Which one is the one Mixery web router? This one? Which, how do I, where's the, it must be one of these error ones or something. I don't really know. That's, I mean, like, it's okay. It's just, it's a little bit annoying. I'm sorry, bro. I won't do it again. I'm sorry, bro. Okay. I'll forgive you this time. I hope you're 12. Okay. All right. Well, we're back. I'm doing great, Suyesh. What about you? I thought for sure I'd broken it. So that's at least, it's on the plus side. It wasn't a skill issue on my part. Nice. I actually don't care if we disable logging on all the other stuff because it doesn't really like, I'm not doing that many different requests to different pathways. All right. So now, chat. Now that we have that, and I do still have this, that's good. We can go back to testing this. Which, does this work now? I probably need to restart this, I'm assuming.
So much to give. Easy now, fuzzy.
There's Nightshade. Nice. Nightshades.
You have a drunk Bailey's from a shoe.
Okay. And then ended event. Why did my... Oh, we scuffed this. Oh, we scuffed this. Right. Okay, that's good. That's good. We changed how all the subscription goes. Right, chat. Right. Servers, notification. Right here. Subscribe to sub events. We got it right here. We should really put here unhandled. Unhandled. And then event. Because that would tell me right now. Telemetry, 9 point. Did your name in a long time? Okay, I'll check it later. We need a test. I can just send fake tests. Unhandled event should, right? Handle info, new event, sub notification style, tier 1. Oh, that actually is working? How did, okay. Okay. So then why is my overlay not working? Good question. I don't know. New events. Okay. There we go. Here's this event. Wait, why are all of these not getting... Why are they not... What is happening? Why am I not getting the next event?
Made it properly tail recursive, like...
Okay, I must have done something here wrong. I must have done something here wrong in how I'm getting this out. Peak. Does peak at the front or the back? Yeah, you know, so it's because I'm not getting the next event for some reason. I don't know why right now.
Is actually my favorite.
You're gonna even filter logs iPad. Nice. Okay, cool. I'll check that out later. Thanks, Sharai. Okay, so the problem is where am I doing queue things? Queue in. That's what I should be using, right? That puts a new thing inside of my queue. That's good. Queue out. That should be good too, right? Okay. Okay, and then if we go to notification servers, where do I have queue in, queue filter? That should be ended event. Queue in. I haven't watched that interview yet. Did he say OCaml was his favorite for recursive stuff? He just said OCaml is one of his favorite functional languages because it's very pragmatic. All right, so when I reload this, oh, okay, nice. We have some problem here, which is we have too many connections again. So I must need to change something for this, right? Because I think we're just maybe I just need to run it in prod mode, which is a shame. It's like a little bit annoying. No, it didn't play yet. That's because someone's DDoSing us again, I'm pretty sure. Last I should continue handle connection. Default switch from sync to drop mode. Or like trying to. It could just be something stupid on my configuration, which is fine too. I don't really know. Like maybe we just need to turn off hot reloading. It's kind of a shame. Kind of a shame. Let me check my config dev here. This is 4,000. That's good. Code reloader. That's fine. Repo, pool size. Maybe we should make this like 50 or something. I don't know. Stack trace, true. Let's go false for now. Show sensitive, false. Yeah. Oh, hey. Static. I feel like this is probably browser reloading. We should probably fix this at some point. to do. This is the wrong, or this is not including all of my paths. Something for us to check for later. Enable dev routes for dashboard and mailbox. False. I don't think I need those. Logger here, stack rate, that's 20. Set a higher tax rate during development, avoiding such production building large text may be expensive. I don't think I need this either. Initialize plugs at runtime for faster development compilation, seems fine. Enable swoosh clients, so just okay, sure. For OCaml, would you use OPAM? I use OPAM, yeah. Okay, so those that should be a little better, at least. Cloudflare metric stuff looks neat. You see anomalies too. Okay, cool. I'll check that out as well. Configures the mailer. I don't think I even need this. We'll see if that fixes anything too. Elixir's console. Use Phoenix JSON library. Import this. Mixery repo. Mixery. Those should all be fine. Oban. Yeah, that should be good too. Mix Phoenix server. Let's try that. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, now I don't think we're crashing all the time. It's just, these seem bad. Like, I must be hitting some path, like, I don't know what the case is for why these are getting terminated. Someone's trying to call something that doesn't exist. I have to call don't reload. Seems lame. I wonder what it'll look like if we turn that off. Yeah, so I mean, we can handle all of these. It's no problem. It's just kind of lame, you know? It's just a bummer. Because then I won't be able to get my, I won't be able to get, what am I trying to say? Oh, I just won't be able to get hot reloading. Yeah, someone is apparently upset at me, so I don't know. They think they're being very funny. So maybe I'll just have to figure out what Cloudflare, how I actually do this to check who this is and maybe change some setting. Seems weird. Seems like what Cloudflare tunnels should stop from happening, but I don't know. Yeah, bummer. Throttle losers? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Try this. Discord GG. It's funny. I wonder if this will work now.
Made it properly tailored
Nice.
versus,
This still
like,
works though.
okay,
So that's cool.
Actually, my favorite.
Is there a throttle loser setting? I don't know. I don't know what that is. I have no idea how to do anything on Cloudflare. I didn't think anyone would be so lame as to think it would be really funny to take someone's Twitch overlay. Little do they know it's just running on my computer. What do I care? I do need help from the sales team. You're not, Vercel's not charging me for this, guys. You're not hurting me. It's just sad, mostly. Yeah. I mean, I don't want to show, because they keep on putting, like, they've got a little ad inside of here, which I think they think is really cute. Are you listening on 000 for local only? It's not. It's not. You can connect to the site too. Right here. Well, friendly hacking never hurt anyone, I think. Well, they're not trying to do friendly stuff because they would stop because they're being annoying. They clearly think that they're very smart and funny. This is running on Cloudflare tunnels, so we're actually talking to this site is running on my computer, which is pretty fun for local dev stuff. You know? But oh well. Yeah, so let me see. I just did 2 hours. I was going to try and do some other stuff today anyway, so that might not be a bad plan. Just because I'll go figure out the Cloudflare settings later. I don't really want to accidentally leak anything on Cloudflare from me. Ooh, the other thing we could check out, that Dota, is I wanted to check out the Elixir NX stuff. Shirai, do you know any good text-to-speech in Elixir? Because I wanted to try and run one that would... I wanted to run one for chat notifications. I think they think that they're making my computer go slow. Oh, how do I do that supervisor thing again? Bumblebee, and then you can use Hugging Face Miles. You can set request time. How does Cloudflare Tunnel work? It'd be interesting on my website on my PC if it keep it secure. That's, I mean, that's the whole point of Cloudflare Tunnels, basically. Yeah, here you go. You guys can, I'll show you. So, I mean, it's just, yeah. There must be something that I can do to make this, like, Cloud can hit me up. You want some Cloudflare info pairing time? You have some experience there? Okay. Yeah, I just basically need to figure out how to block those so that it doesn't happen a lot. I don't know. Okay. So we can just stop this one anyways. They can keep on spinning to their heart's content is fine, I guess. And we can do this. Okay, so let's try out Elixir NX. Looks like it was infinite recursion. Nice. Very cool. And then we can try, you said, using Bumblebee as well. Bumblebee Elixir. Grabbing their IP address and blacklisting in Cloudflare Tunnel. Yeah. I mean, it could be a bunch of different ones. You know what I mean? But that's okay. We can sort that all out. All out later. I don't really plan on giving them any attention on stream. Like, it doesn't really matter. Okay. So let's figure out Bumblebee. Because I think that that's probably what we want, right? I've seen a lot of speech to text stuff in Elixir, but I haven't seen a lot of TTS yet. What do you mean, Ryan? Tortoise, maybe? Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Bumblebee's Pride on top of accent. It includes integration with Hugging Face models, allowing anyone down for machine learning to test a few lines of code. Okay. Yaro, hey, thank you. Cheers from Brazil. Tier 3. Thanks, Yaro. Appreciate it. Speech to text. Not text to speech. Got you. I just didn't read very closely. I'm following you. Single file examples running Neuralink Phoenix live view apps inside of examples Phoenix folder. Okay. And you also check our official docs. Stuff does actually move real fast. Yeah. Brazil mentioned. True. Speech to text. I want the other way around. I want text to speech, but we can look at this and see what we would need to do. Install plug cowboy. So we install Bumblebee. We install a few other things here. We get a backend, and then we get some Phoenix live view thing. And microphone mounted meteor. Oh, that's cool. Oh, nice. Yeah, just write something here to get speech to text. So that's cool. Very nice. Very nice. Yep. And this is just JavaScript. That's fine. Sample live. Okay. I just want to see handle consume upload entry. When entry done. NX from binary. We always pre-process audio on the client into a single channel. Assign transcription. Assign async. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. That's cool. Try, you didn't tell me this. You didn't tell me I could do this. NX serving batch run Phoenix demo serving audio output chunks, join it to text, trim it, and put the transcription in, and then we show the transcription up here somewhere, I'm sure. Okay, well that's cool. Whisper real time is fantastic. Speech to text, very light. I want to go the reverse way. I want to take text and do speech. So I'm trying to figure out what's a good one these days. It would be nice if it was just something I'd run locally. Pretty sure you liked a tweet I made about it a long time ago. I just like everything you post about Elixir. I don't even read it, Ryan. Just so to keep you coming back to the stream. You know? I gotta give the people what they want. Okay, so Bumblebee audio. Speech to text. No, I want to do the reverse way. Text. Or maybe it's in audio. Speech to text, speech to text, speech to text, speech to text. Is nobody doing the opposite? I want Dota DV, but no. If we played anything, obviously it'd be Balatro, chat. One-dimensional with audio sample, speech to text whisper chunk, speech to text whisper. Now, all of this is speech to text. Okay, we want to look for text to speech. No one is doing this right now. TTS. Text to image. Why is everyone doing deep learning AI is short story with HF on various models that may help you? Deep learning AI. Okay, we could check that out as well. So confirmed, but I'll allow it. Yo, what up, Retro? They use both speech to text and text to speech. Right, so I'm trying... Oh, in deep learning.ai. Gotcha. One sec, chat. All right, it's nothing built in support text to speech. Couldn't AI. Yeah, I know. It's very funny. We probably won't do that one. Speech text whisper having access and press A to see things current search would be bark. Oh, that's from a long time ago. Whisper speech. But text speech and bubble using bark with any chance of supporting it? Bark, okay. Oh, from Suno? That's funny. Yeah, we can check it out later, maybe. Put ourselves starting with one of the models. Hugging Face transfer is probably the easiest way to get started. Text to speech. Yeah, we can just check Hugging Face's docs. Just use Azure TTS. No, I want to run it locally. Chat, if we can, because I think it would be cooler. Try to port Bark and later on Whisper using multiple models. More processing models released here. Open voice. Interesting. Using standard layers all, or if at all they're in pickle format, need to move back to understand simple models accent first. Non-local models are seriously uncool. Exactly. If we're gonna do something goofy, instead of just using like a default thing, right? Mary TTS is also a Docker image. We could use something. It doesn't have to be AI. It would be fun to do something like, you know, training the model on some different voices. Could lead to some funny scenarios, right? But I'm not necessarily like attached to the idea. You know what I'm saying? Like it would be fine either way. This has to create natural sounding speech from text, where the speech can be generated in multiple languages and multiple speakers. You can easily generate using the text to audio pipeline or its alias text to speech. Some models like Bark. Oh yeah, we can make it laugh and cry. Awesome. Clears throat. This is a test, and I just took a long pause. Okay, that's pretty dope, actually. Looking to fine-tune a TTS model, the only text-to-speech currently available in Hugging Face transformers are speech to 5T and fast speech to conformer. Okay, well, can we... So these models already exist. Can I just use a Hugging Face model? We need to figure out how do we just use like a Hugging Face model, right? Just a random one. But I don't know how to do that. So we'll need to go back to like Bumblebee and it'll just auto download. Okay, sure. Yeah, well then we should just try it. Let's go ahead and we'll set this to be 4001 and we'll turn on code reloader to true so I can run this locally and it won't be exposed on my Cloudflare port, so we'll do nothing. Okay, cool. So then we need to do something like, we need to just mix install Bumblebee and stuff, right? So where we can do this, first add Bumblebee and Excel in here. if you realize you come out just time, run them with CPU, GPU. Okay, well, we'll have to see, I guess, what happens here, right? Depth, or is this in mix? Here we go, right? This is text. We'll do Bumblebee. Okay. And then we need to do mix deps.get. Then configure NX to use Xlo backend by default. Okay. Config. Mix. Whoops. We can go to my config. And we can say this. Okay. IX. We'll run this now here. We could do something like prime teach. Yes. I think it would be very fun to try that. That's kind of like, it would be very fun if we could get a few different ones. Oh, I need to do mix compile. Okay. Or do I need to do mix deps.get or something? Oh, mix deps.compile maybe. Yeah, we'll see, let's see what it does here, I guess. You can use Livebook just to see the smart cell for neural networks. There's not a TTS, but you can copy the idea of how to use Bumblebee from there. Okay, yeah, we should try Livebook as well. Well, blank check was just installed in the Macintosh. What? It's an older one, but I don't know if they did. Oh, yeah, okay, I don't know. What's up, Nacho? Yeah, we can try Livebook as well. I don't know if it's building right now or if it's just like paused. I guess we'll find out shortly. So how do I run Livebook from my like Phoenix app? I guess that was one of the examples they said, right? Is I could just do like speech to text, text stack classification. We can try. Are these, is EXS? These are like mixed things to run. Download from livebook.dev. Livebook.dev. Okay, nice. Hey, there we go. Elixir script. Ah, got it. Script. Okay, gotcha. Install Livebook locally. To run on Linux, Docker, check out our README. Okay. I don't really want to do it in Docker, but maybe it's easier, I guess. Probably easier in Docker. But I already have everything else. Can't I do... Create a new notebook, create a smart cell for neural network, and change the cell visualization to do code. Can I just... What happens if I just paste in one of these examples that they had, right? Which was like... where was that? Like this. All right, this one's not that. We'll do like text classification. That one seems the easiest. What happens if I just paste this in here? Can I be used inside a mix object? I didn't like all of that. Well, it's trying right now. That's cool. Field start trial Phoenix demo endpoints. Oh, probably because it got scuffed inside of here. Yeah, we'll check out a bunch of the stuff. I mean, it's not like we won't have a like a whole lot, I think, of text to speech. You know what I mean? It's like for subscriptions. You know what I mean? It's not like, and we'll just queue everything too, so it should be fine either way. But we will try and make it so that it's a good idea, right? I think I shouldn't run this in. Maybe I should run this with. Where can I just put something I just want to run? Mix tasks, I guess we could say text classification EX. Right? Like I could put this here. EXS. Mix install cannot be used inside of a mix project. How do I run this then? Do I just go do I just go mix? Oh, can I not do? Oh, I guess I probably don't even need to do this, right? I already have just put it in a script dir. Okay. It didn't like this. We'll just quit this. I think we scuffed everything earlier. Oops. Text classification.exs. Okay, so that's fine. We can write this. So then how do I execute it? How do I execute it now though? Elixir. Scripts like this. I just run it with Elixir. Okay, cool. That's pretty cool. Sewing. Yep. Nice. It's a classic one. Chat. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks everybody. See ya.